Alright, so now you guys are ready for to start the end product of your West project. The first thing you need to have done is you need to make sure your West structured notes are filled out. Okay? You should have 2 more boxes below these minimum, and you can always find more as you go, but for right now you need at least 3 boxes here, and you need to have the opportunities and challenges filled out. Remember, you already did research on these 2 things. Okay, so make sure you're using your notes to help you fill that out. Hopefully you also can maybe get some connections to the other groups. If we have this filled out, it's going to make our lives a lot easier. Okay, so once we have that filled out, we're actually going to go to Thinglink.com. That is www.thinglink.com, as you can see at the top right here. Okay, you'll see a background like this. Sometimes it changes, so don't be too alarmed if this is something different in the background. We need to create an account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Google Plus. We're just going to sign up with Google. Way easier. I'm going to use my co-account so I can sign up as a student to show you guys. I already did this one time, so it just took me right to here. You guys will go through some other steps. Make sure you allow Thinglink to access your email address and that sort of thing. Eventually you get to a page that looks like this. First of all, make sure it's saying student on here. Okay, nothing else. Student, so then you can do the invite code. Now, obviously, I have a teacher account. Okay, you guys are going to be in my class, so I can view your Thinglinks and grade them. Okay, so the code is F3GRQ2. Okay, make sure these are all capitalized right here. Okay, once you have that, you can click done. And you are in Joseph Hunter's class. Okay. From here, what you're going to do is, as you can see, you're going to go to create. This is how you're going to start your Thinglink. Ignore these videos down here. I'm making one that's a lot better. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're just going to do that, or else it gets really annoying. It's always in you. So you guys have an image. There's a reason I had you get an image first. Okay? You should have it saved in a folder or a desktop. Once you go to create here, okay, make sure you're at create, you will click this blue tab. Okay, then you will search for your photo. I'm going to use my Populous photo. You open that up, and then you get a big interactive image. Now, this is where the confusing thing kind of happens, okay? So you can click pretty much anywhere to add your other sources. Okay, first of all, you need to explain this source, okay? This image, you need to explain the opportunities and challenges of it. So you're just going to make kind of a dot right there. And you can change these dots. You can do blue, green, red, yellow, whatever you want to. Okay? Then you're going to go to the text. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit confusing. So, in Google Classroom, there is an assignment called a writing frame. This is what it looks like. It's called Writing Frame Thinglink. Now, I put this on for you guys in order to help you out. Do you have to use it? No, but it should be a guide. Okay, this can go directly from your notes. Like I said, you guys have the opportunities and the challenges. So use these. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to write the opportunities or challenges for the image. So this source highlights the challenges and opportunities of whatever group you're in. Make sure you delete those parentheses. Some opportunities of whatever group you're in, once again, delete the parentheses, that are shown are, you can go in and pretty much, hopefully, you can almost copy and paste. Will it be word for word? Maybe not. Okay, like I said, you don't necessarily have to use the writing frame. Then you're going to go down and I think the most important part of this is you have to prove why this source, right here, your image, why is your image proving that there's opportunities? Okay, you need to tell me that. And that's where you kind of have to think. You may have to pause this video and think a little bit. Okay, same thing with the challenges. Go in and look at the challenges that you put in your notes right here. Almost copy and paste, and then once again you have to prove to me that your image is showing challenges. Once you are done, it's going to be an easy process to copy and paste. So once this is full, you can just copy it, you highlight all of that, you do Control C, or you can go to right click and then copy. Alright, and you are actually going to paste it in the text box here. I'm just going to do it without any words in it here. So you're going to copy it, edit Control C, and then you're going to paste it right here in the text. Okay? Alright, sorry, I'm going to do that again here real quick. I'm actually going to just highlight this. So I'm going to copy this right here. Since I have too many lines in that one. Now I'm going to go in here and then paste it in there. Okay, there you go. See, it pops up right over where you put your dot there. You're going to save that tag. Okay, then you're going to create another one. I clicked right there. You can click maybe wherever you want. Maybe you want to post it on a guy or something like that. It's really your choice. Okay, so you make it, and then you're actually going to go to your next primary source here. So you should have another primary source here at the bottom. Okay, you're going to click on that link. Okay, so you're going to go to that link that you have. I'm actually going to do a video since I've already used this for my picture. Okay, I found a video here. What you do is you go up to that link, you copy it, Control C, you go back to your image, and you post that link in there. It's going to be Control V to paste it. Alright, as you can see, my video has popped up. Now we are not done, okay, because we need to put our text in there. Once again, you're going to go back to your notes, you're going to highlight the opportunities and the challenges, and you're going to put them in the writing frame. Once again, you don't have to necessarily use this writing frame. It is a guide for you guys, because really I want you to show me what opportunities are in that source that you found, what challenges is, and how that source proves that. Okay, that's kind of the main thing. Make sure you tell me how that source proves it. Once you have written that, you can copy it. Once again, I'm just going to copy just some notes, so I have some text here for you guys. Alright, Control C, you go back to your Thinglink and you post it in the text column. Once you have that there, then you save the tag. Okay, there is 2 dots. As you can see, your minimum is 3, and you can always create more. I would recommend that you try to find a video. I think those are really cool and interactive, especially when you're going to present it to the class. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Now, when you are done, you're going to go to Save Image. Alright, here, your image would be saved and therefore ready to view. Now, I'm going to show you an example of maybe what a finished product would look like. Okay, here's an example of a finished product. This is actually just a random one. This is obviously going off the terrorist attack in Paris recently. But this is the worst terror attacks. When you present, you're going to be able to do a full screen here. Alright. And then as you can see, this is what it's going to look like. Your image is going to come up here if you did an image. Maybe you have a video. And then your text is going to be here at the bottom, highlighting the opportunities and challenges and how the source above proves that. Alright, so we have multiple things we can go to see that. I'm not going to sign up for upgrade. Okay, so this is what it should look like. If you guys have any questions, let me know.